Right to on documentation
from the Director of Survey, and on formal payment of the grant is 18485. So
of almost 2-point-something million shillings. I don't know how much.
There is neither a gazette notice nor existing survey records in support of the excision of Sis Mara Tarek 155. The parcel overlaps into Masai Mara Game Reserve land.
Given what the CS has given, I want really to appreciate that it's really very critical and important information. More importantly, that she acknowledged that what the Director of Survey, Deputy Director of Survey, Mushai, the record he gave in the court were correct.
as much as anybody is trying to do what. This is a court case because the Director of Survey, the CS and the PS have pronounced themselves. We don't have existence of a piece of land by number Tarek 155. I submit.